Hello, hi, it's Dr. Erica. Thank you for joining me on this particular video. I am Dr. Erica, pharmacist, owner and founder of Millennium Pharmacy. So please visit my website and also like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, okay? It would be very, very good if you could just hit that subscribe button right there and also binge watch on all of my videos. This particular video is talking about the primary literature. Primary literature is very important for scientists, and also it gives you the basics, the foundations at which medications are developed and the actual steps that were taken for the development of approval. When FDA and DEA decide to approve these different medications from manufacturers and so forth, they go to primary literature, they go through the actual steps as far as research, different classes of research to be performed, and so forth. And it helps with the post-marketing aspect of medications as well. So after a medication is put on the market for some time, there's still trials that are still going on to make sure that the medication has no side effects to the community and no adverse events in the community. So primary literature and research, scientific um, studies is always important. Now, this particular journal for today is called International Journal for Food and Nutrition. Now, this particular article or journals, I should say, is a primary literature journal. It only accepts primary literature from scientists from around the world, colleges, students, and also those professors and things who are doing research with PhD students and master students. They all do present articles and they receive prestigious awards, they receive monetary benefits. So this helps with proposal writing and things like that. So the amount of articles that are submitted to journals such as these help in the long run with continuation of research and so forth. So I did a video 4 months ago about this particular journal, and I talked about Vanilla supplement, which is a product that is on the market for sale. And they published one primary article that went into this particular journal called International Journal of Food and Science. And so it got some hits on it. Some people liked it, and I got maybe 20 or greater than 20 or so views on that particular video. So I wanted to talk about it again and just give some information about what the journal actually hosts. It hosts articles that are talking about food preservation and food engineering. And again, these are presented to the actual journal for awards and for disclosing the actual steps that were taken to come up to a outcome or conclusion in the trial. So it's good to have primary literature. Primary literature is the best type of reference that you can actually resource because it gives the baseline, it gives the outcome of clinical trial. The more unbiased the trial, the better. You want to make sure that you're reading articles that are have strong arms and that are again unbiased and are randomized. The more randomized the trial, the better. And also, you want to look for significance in the results. So, the more significant the results, the better the outcome of the research itself. And then also, it's good to have more than one primary literature when making a reference. So when you're actually presenting a paper or presenting information, a presentation, you're going to reference your primary, your secondary, tertiary literature. And your primary literature is going to be your best literature to reference. The more primary literature you have to reference, the more concise, the more reputable your presentation. So I do recommend that as well, sticking with as much primary literature as possible. And also, you want to not only uh, take care of the secondary, tertiary literature, but again, the more journal articles you have, the better. And then this was is a good choice because I used it earlier and I saw that my views went up and I saw that more people were liking this particular uh, journal. So do be aware of the primary literature aspects and benefits, okay? And then you want to choose a journal that is um, not popular. It doesn't always have to be popular, but it has to have a history of prestigiousness, and you also want to make sure that is a common journal to use. Okay, so that's what I want to talk about in this particular video about International Journal of Food and Science, and take a look at what they offer. And if you're interested or you study food and science and engineering and preservation of foods, then definitely this would be an article to reference and to also present your outcomes of your actual clinical trials too. They also accept clinical trials, and you can submit your information. I'll put that in the description for you. You can also submit your actual findings and your research to this particular journal that I have listed in the title, and have your actual article read by students and professors and academia alike. So that's all I wanted to present in this particular topic. Thank you for joining me. Please like, share, and also subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.